For years, the humble earbud has been a constant fixture in many a bathroom cupboard. A quick dab in one ear, a quick dab in the other, what's the harm? The most obvious is getting part of it stuck in your ear, but regular earbud use can lead to skin irritation, infection, and even hearing loss. Earwax is a self-cleaning agent with protective, lubricating, and antibacterial properties. Left unprovoked, excess earwax moves slowly, in its own time, out of your ear canal, carrying with it dirt, dust, and other small particles from your ear. In other words, the safest way to clean your ears is not to clean them at all. Poking around in your ear causes earwax to gradually build up and block part of your ear canal. Forcibly removing the ear's protective wax layer, scratching the skin that lines the ear canal, or pushing wax deeper down can all increase your risk of infection. A good rule of thumb: never put anything down your ear that's smaller than your elbow.